Financial freedom. It's a term that gets thrown around a lot these days. But what does it really mean? It's something a lot of people want. It's the dream of living without the constant stress of financial worries. It means not having to worry about money, being able to enjoy life, and having the freedom to pursue your passions. Today, the internet gives us lots of ways to make money and have a better future. From freelancing to starting your own business, the opportunities are endless. This isn't about getting rich fast. It's about building a stable and sustainable financial foundation. It's about making money in a way that lasts. Just like planting a tree, it takes time and care to grow. It's about being free with your money, in your own way. Whether it's budgeting for a vacation or saving for a rainy day, it's your choice. Getting there starts with one small step. It could be as simple as setting up a savings account or creating a budget. It's about knowing how much money you have now. Keeping track of your finances is the first step to taking control. It's about making plans for the future. Setting financial goals and working towards them can help you achieve financial freedom. Remember, this is a marathon, not a race. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience and persistence. Being patient, not giving up, and being able to change are important. Stay focused, stay committed, and you'll get there. But before we go any further, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Before you go on a trip, you need a map. This map helps you understand where you are and where you want to go. It shows you the best routes and helps you avoid getting lost. Similarly, in your financial journey, you need a clear plan to guide you. To get financially free, your map is your budget. A budget helps you see your income and expenses clearly. It's like a financial GPS that shows you the way to your goals. Start by writing down how much money you get and how much you spend. This gives you a clear picture of your financial situation. Knowing your income and expenses is the first step to taking control of your finances. Look at where your money goes every month. Track your spending to see patterns and identify areas where you might be overspending. This helps you make informed decisions about your money. See where you can spend less. Cutting unnecessary expenses can free up money for savings or investments. Small changes, like reducing utility bills or finding cheaper alternatives, can make a big difference over time. Look for ways to save. Consider setting up an emergency fund or contributing to a retirement account. Saving money helps you prepare for unexpected expenses and secure your financial future. This helps you understand your money situation right now. Knowing where you stand financially allows you to make better decisions and plan for the future. Now, it's time to make money goals. Setting clear financial goals gives you something to work towards and keeps you motivated. What does financial freedom mean to you? It could mean different things to different people. For some, it might mean having enough savings to retire early, while for others, it might mean being able to travel or pursue hobbies without financial stress. Does it mean not having to work anymore? Imagine the freedom of spending your days doing what you love without worrying about money. Does it mean doing what you love without worrying about money? Financial freedom allows you to focus on your passions and live a fulfilling life. Make your goals smart. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart goals provide a clear roadmap and make it easier to track your progress. This helps you make a plan to succeed. With a solid plan in place, you can take actionable steps towards achieving your financial goals and ultimately, financial freedom. The internet has changed how we make money. There are many ways to make money online. You can use your skills to work for people all over the world. You can teach others online. You can sell things online. You can make money by telling people about things you like. Making videos or podcasts can also make you money. The important thing is to find something you like and are good at. Section 4. Building your online business. After you choose how you want to make money online, it's time to show yourself online. A website or social media page can be like your online store. Show what you can do. Make interesting things that people want to see. Remember, building a good online business takes time. Be patient, keep working, and be ready to change. Talk to people, make connections, and always try to get better. Keep learning new things because the internet always changes. Section 5. Staying on the path to financial freedom. As you start making money online, it's important to use your money well. Keep to your budget, watch what you spend, and save money. This means tracking every expense, no matter how small, and making sure you are not overspending in any category. It's also wise to set aside a portion of your income for emergencies. You can even save money automatically. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings account ensures that you are consistently putting money away without having to think about it. This can help you build a substantial savings over time. Investing your money is important for the future. By investing, you can grow your wealth and secure your financial future. It's important to start investing early and to diversify your investments to minimize risk. Learn about different ways to invest, spread your money around, and understand the risks and rewards associated with each type of investment. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and maximize your returns. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Financial advisors and planners can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your specific situation. They can help you create a comprehensive financial plan and keep you on track to meet your goals. Getting financially free takes time. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. You need to stay committed to your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. There will be hard times. Financial setbacks are inevitable, but it's important to stay resilient and keep pushing forward. Learn from your mistakes and use them as opportunities to improve your financial habits. But if you keep trying, are ready to change, and want to learn, you can overcome these challenges. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance and stay updated on the latest financial trends and strategies. You can reach your goals and have a good life. Achieving financial freedom is not just about having money. It's about having the peace of mind and security that comes with knowing you are in control of your financial future. For more information about finding financial freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.